Okay. Oh, sorry. We're on air. Hello, video YouTubers, and welcome back to Question of the Week with Jonathan Ferguson. Today, however, we start a Merry Christmas special just for you. Before I get into the Christmas video on Christmas, where is this shirt from? Is it Steve from Montana, from Illinois, or probably Tennessee? And this year's winner is Cooper Barnes played Raymond Manchester in the show Henry Danger. Congratulations, Cooper Barnes. So whenever at your 10 o'clock next Saturday night at 10 p.m., I for one will not be awake. I will remark. So the next video will be coming up tomorrow afternoon at 1. So see you next time. Bye.